Said you don't have the choice to choose, do what you can, don't ever lose. Just remember even when I'm dead and gone. Stick to your guns, son, make me proud. Don't ever back up, don't ever back down. Stand your ground and always tell it like it is. Cause this life can be real damn tough. Take them scars and you pull that blood. Don't let me catch you fitting in it. Said it was an outlaw till it's time to do outlaw shit. Well, the times have changed, but not for me. Got my home now and a family. Two callous hands and some old world boots, busting my ass and paying my dues. I tell my kids every night, try to see the world through your neighbor's eyes. What makes a difference if you can? Stick to your gun now, son, make me proud. Don't ever back up and don't ever back down. Stand your ground and always tell it like it is. Cause it's life gonna be real damn tough. Take them scars and all that blood. Don't let me catch you fitting there. Cause it was an outlaw till it's time to do outlaw shit. Stick to your guns, son, make me proud. Don't ever back up, no, don't ever back down. Stand your ground and always tell it like it is. If this life's gonna be real damn tough, take them scars and call out love. Don't let me catch you fitting in. Cause it was an outlaw till it's time to do outlaw shit. It's time to do outlaw shit. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I've a sore fingers again with you with hopefully another interesting lesson. Relatively easy one for you this time. It's a song called Everyone's an Outlaw from a gentleman called Bryan Martin. Okay. So I'm in standard tuning with no capos for this lesson, but if you want to play along with the recorded version of this song, you need to detune your guitar a whole step. Okay, so just to let you know that, so if you want to play along with the original recording, he does it with a detuned guitar a whole step. Okay, so without more to do, let me hopefully show you how to play this relatively straightforward song. Right then, so we're starting off with the chords. There's only basically 4 chords in the song. That's E minor, a G, simple G will do, or I'm tending to play the 4-fingered variety when I'm playing the 3rd fret of the 2nd string and the top E string. Okay, but a straightforward one will do, simple one, yeah. A D chord and an A chord, and that's it. Okay, so the introduction just goes around E minor, D, E minor, G, D, A, E minor, G, D. Okay, so it's then it comes into the verse, and all the verses play exactly the same with different words. Okay, and it's basically the same sequence: E minor, G, D, A. Okay, I was raised up by a simple man, grew up with a gun in my hand, told me how to love and how to fight, told me what's wrong and told me what's right. He said you don't have the choice to choose, do what you can, don't ever lose. Just remember even when I'm dead and gone. Okay, and that's it for verses, exactly the same for all the verses. I think there's 2 verses in the song. Okay, just different words on the 2nd verse, obviously, and then you've got the chorus, and that's all the rest. That's the rest of the song, really, just verses and choruses. Okay, there's no middle section as such. Okay, so the chorus, when you come out of that, just remember even when I'm dead and gone. Stick to your same chord sequence again. Gun, son, make me proud. Don't ever back up, don't ever back down. Stand your ground and always tell like it is. Stay on that D there, okay? And back into it again. Cause this life will be real damn tough. Take them scars and call that blood. Don't let me catch you feeling it. Stay there on D. Cause everybody's an outlaw. Stop till it's time to do outlaw. Start again. And we're going to verse 2. Same as usual, same chords. But it's times have changed, but not for me. Got my home now and a family. 2 calloused hands and old work boots. Busting my ass and paying my dues. Tell my kids every night, try to see the world through my neighbor's eyes. But it makes a difference if you can. Chorus, stick to your guns, son. Make me proud. Don't ever back up, don't ever back down. Stand your ground and always tell like it is. Cause it's like gonna be real damn tough. Take damn scars and you call that blood. Don't let me catch you feeling. Cause everyone's an outlaw. Till it's time to do outlaw shit. Okay, so on that particular end of the chorus, it plays through it. It goes like, cause everyone's an outlaw. Keep playing the D till it's time to do outlaw shit. Okay, and we're into another, and then we come to the final chorus. So it's verse, chorus, verse, chorus, chorus. Okay, and the final chorus is exactly the same to play, except on it normally does a single strum. So it comes where it comes, because on the last second chorus, because everyone's an outlaw. Sorry, because everyone's an outlaw. Till it's time to do outlaw shit. Stick to your guns, son, make me proud. You just play single chords instead of strumming through the bars, yeah? So stick to your guns, son, make me proud. Don't ever back up, don't ever back down. Stand your ground and always tell it like it is. Now strum. Yeah, this life's gonna be a real damn tough. Take them scars and call that blood. Don't let me catch you feeling. Cause everybody's an outlaw. Till it's time to do outlaw shit. Till it's time to do outlaw shit. And that's basically it, boys and girls, okay? Hope you enjoyed that. Nice simple one for you. And I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.